Today we are going to explore how to use AI to create content in minutes, writing, art, and videos. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Treenas Tech Channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting, how you can use AI to create content in minutes. That's right, whether it's writing, art, or even videos, AI can do it all. Let's explore some awesome tools you can use to take your content creation game to the next level. Ready? Let's jump in. Chapter 1. AI for writing. So let's talk about writing. I know how daunting it can be to start writing a blog post, an essay, or even a social media caption. But thanks to AI, you don't need to worry about writer's block anymore. Check this out. This tool here is ChatGPT, one of the best AI tools for generating content. You just type in a prompt, and boom, it starts writing a full blog post for you. And it's not just random sentences. You get fully structured paragraphs, well-researched content, and even suggestions for titles. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, using AI to write can save you hours. Chapter 2. AI for creating art. Imagine creating stunning visuals for your website, social media, or even a personal project, without ever picking up a paintbrush. Create a futuristic cityscape at sunset. I'm using DALL-E here. All you have to do is type in a description of what you want, and in a few seconds, you get artwork that looks like it was made by a professional digital artist. Pretty amazing, right? Whether you need a quick visual for a presentation or just want to have fun creating art, AI tools like these are a game changer. Chapter 3. AI for creating videos. Now, if you thought writing and art were cool, wait until you see AI video creation. You don't need fancy equipment or editing skills to create a video these days. Here, I'm using Pictory. I just input a script, and the AI generates a fully edited video with images, transitions, and even background music. You can customize it as much as you like. Need a video for YouTube, Instagram, or an ad? No problem. AI's got your back. Chapter 4. Combining AI tools for full projects. Now here's where things get fun. Imagine combining all these tools for a complete project. AI writes your script, creates your visuals, and then makes a video for you. All you have to do is oversee the process. In just a few clicks, you could create an entire blog post with AI-generated images and an accompanying video, all without leaving your desk. The possibilities are endless. AI, the future of content creation. So, there you have it. AI is changing the content creation game, making it faster and easier than ever before to produce high-quality work. Whether you're a content creator, an entrepreneur, or just someone curious about technology, these tools are definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want more videos on how AI can make your life easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Like, subscribe, and comment.